This is what, in fact, Mr. Myers said out of his own mouth, that he was not only involved in cocaine smuggling, but in diamond smuggling as well, and that, in fact, he had 15 children to send to school. So he needed to get and be involved in drug smuggling. This is very damaging testimony by Mr. Johnson, and it will be an important part of the prosecution's case to destroy the defendant's entrapment defense. More testimony tomorrow from Mr. Alexander Johnson, the Colombian informant, the most prominent witness against Mark Myers. The jury might have this case to deliberate about. Now, the important news of the day is that James Mackey has refused to testify for Buju Banton. He has taken the Fifth Amendment against self-incrimination. As you know, he had been indicated by the defense as a possible Buju Banton witness, but he, who has already pled guilty to conspiracy, has refused to give any testimony that supports Buju Banton's position, and this is a major setback in my view for Buju Banton. And the defense attorney, Mr. Marcos, jabbed away at Alexander Johnson, the Colombian informant. He suggested that he had no money, and that because he was behind in his taxes, that is why he went out of the way to identify Buju Banton as a potential criminal and entrapped him in order so that he could make money out of the case. I think that the defense's attempts to make the informant the criminal and not Buju. The trial is actually proceeding very rapidly, and it might be finished as early as this week.